Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is hygiene? Hygiene means keeping our body and surroundings clean. It helps us stay healthy and fresh. Why is hygiene important for our health? Hygiene protects us from germs and infections. It helps our body stay strong and active. How does hygiene keep us safe from diseases? Good hygiene removes germs from our body. This reduces the chance of getting sick. What happens if we do not follow hygiene rules? We may fall ill if we do not follow hygiene. Germs can easily spread and cause diseases. Why should we wash our hands before eating? Hands carry germs from many places. Washing hands keeps food clean and safe to eat. Why is personal cleanliness important? Personal cleanliness keeps our body healthy. It also makes us feel confident and fresh. How does hygiene help children and students? Hygiene keeps students healthy and active. Healthy students can study and play better. Why should we keep our surroundings clean? Clean surroundings stop the spread of germs. They also make our environment safe and pleasant. How does good hygiene make us feel confident? When we are clean, we feel good about ourselves. It improves our confidence in public places. What are some daily hygiene habits we should follow? We should bathe daily and brush our teeth twice a day. We should also wash hands regularly.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.